A truck is moving on a straight road with uniform acceleration. ओके एक ट्रक है जो जा रहा है चुपचाप स्ट्रेट रोड पे मूविंग विद यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेशन. द फॉलोइंग टेबल, ये जो टेबल दिया हुआ है, इट गिव्स द स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रक एट वेरियस इंस्टेंट्स ऑफ टाइम. हमको बोला गया है कि ड्रॉ स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ. अच्छा, स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ बाय चूजिंग अ कन्वीनियंट स्केल. ओके, तो पहला ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद जो क्वेश्चंस है विल गेट इट डन वन बाय वन. द फर्स्ट इज I need to draw speed versus time graph. As you know children, time is always measured on x-axis. अभी हमको speed डालना है y-axis में. So I think I'll take the scale जैसा है वैसे ही draw कर लेते हैं. Correct? It's much better. So first I'll draw the y-axis. So I'll draw the y-axis. Okay. And then from here I'll draw the x-axis. The only thing is मुझे straight lines draw करना पड़ेगा. Okay, now so obviously first I'll take it as 0 and then यहाँ पे क्या आने वाला है, speed आने वाला है. So 5, 10, 15 का 5 का scale ले लेते. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, and एक extra just for our concern. So I'll draw the arrowheads. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. What is this? I have marked on y-axis, that is the speed, correct? So I'll write here speed, and speed का SI unit meters per second. Now on x-axis we got 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. तो वही scale रख देते ना बेटा. That is much simple. So on x-axis we are calculating or we are plotting time, and time is measured in seconds most of the time in physics. Okay, so now again I'll take the proper measurements. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 0, then we have 10, then we have 20, 30, 40 and 50. Fine, let's plot now. So for the first, you check the speed is 5 and the time is 0. Okay, that means we are considering it is traveling initially with 5. So the first coordinates are being plotted here. For 0, the speed is 5. For next is 10, 10. So if I go systematically, so I'll get this and I'll get this as the meeting point. So the meeting point is important. So I'll draw this and I'll encircle it. Next is for 15. So now for 20, the speed is 15. Okay. So for 20, so I'll draw a straight line for 20, and then for 15, the perpendicular, and their meeting point is here somewhere. So I'll encircle it. Okay, this is the point. Now for 30, it is 20. Okay, so again a straight line, bacha. So for 30, it is 20. So the perpendicular is here somewhere. To extend this to get the meeting point. If it was a graph paper, then so easy to calculate all these things better. Okay. So I got the next one. For 40, it is 25. Okay. So for 40 seconds of time, the speed is somewhat 25. So I'll remove the excess part. I got this. And for 50 seconds, the speed is 30. So for 50 seconds, the speed is 30. Okay. So for 50 seconds, the speed is 30. Done. So I got all the coordinates plotted on the graph paper. So now I have to draw a line, correct? So if I connect all these things, I think they all pass through a single line. And that's very good graph what I have got. I'll extend it. Okay, so extension. Okay, so first thing what they have asked, draw velocity speed time graph. Done. The graph is ready. Speed on y, time is on x, and the graph is perfect. Now determine from it the first one, acceleration of the truck. Okay, so I'll take this next point as, see, I'll take this point as A. So this is A for me, and this point is B. And you know very well, children, that they want us to find acceleration. So slope of speed versus time gives us what? Acceleration, no doubt. So we need to find the slope of this line. Okay, so let us find the slope of this line. So the first question was acceleration. So to find the acceleration, I need to find slope of line AB. Slope of line AB, what I'll do, I'll just simply draw this, I'll connect this, correct? I'll draw this and I'll connect this. Correct, so I name this A, B, I'll take this C. So to find the slope of the line AB, I will definitely find BC divided by AC. Correct, children? So I'll find slope of line BC divided by AC from the graph. Now, how much is BC? So it goes till 30. So this has to be 30 upon AC. AC is from here till here, that is how much? 50. So A is 30 by 50. So 0 and 0 cancel. So 5 zeros are, and then 5 6 are. So the acceleration is 0.6 meters per second square from the graph. Done. Now what next? Find the distance traveled by the truck in 50 seconds. Okay. So from 50 seconds means from here till 50 seconds. Oh, okay. So now what I'll do, I'll extend this till 50. Correct, children? Now I'll take this as O, and you remember very well, to find out the distance, what you have to do? You have to calculate the area of the quadrilateral under that graph. Okay, so if AB is the graph, right under the graph, I have a quadrilateral which is a trapezium. So for second, I need to find the distance. And even you know very well better, that has to be found out by finding the area of the quadrilateral OABD. I'll name this as D. So I'll write the quadrilateral as O, A, B and D, which is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides. So parallel side is OA and BD. Correct? So OA is a gap of 5. So sum means addition. So 5 plus complete B to D. I think it is 30. Correct? From here till here, yes, from 0 till B it's 30. So into the height means what? The perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides, means from here and here the perpendicular distance is 50. Now 30 plus 5, 35, and two 25s are 50. Correct, children? Let's multiply 35 times 25. So 5, 5, 25. This is 175. 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. So I'll be getting 8, 7, 5. So the total distance traveled by the truck is 875 meters, which I got the answer from the graph. So this is how you should calculate acceleration and the distance traveled by the truck. Done. Thank you.